What's up, man? So you want to hear the do's and don'ts about getting sober, huh? As you know me, my name's Kohdi. I'm here to answer all your questions about getting sober. So number one, dude, don't just think that not drinking is going to change everything for you. You've spent years, months, days, hours, a whole lifetime consuming alcohol. Not drinking it, that's the weird part. So you may have been sold the dream that once you stop, everything is going to be better. But I really need you to understand that not drinking doesn't guarantee happiness. Success and happiness are a skill. So the reality is you're giving yourself an opportunity to develop the long-term skills of being able to overcome anything, not just alcohol. Number two, do not just go to the gym, man. Don't just start climbing mountains. Don't join a sports team right now. If you've been drinking alcohol, dude, your body is in no shape to just go take on a sport or any physical activity that's really going to stress your body out. Now, you may even be good at lifting weights and all that stuff, but dude, your body is not conditioned for that right now. Just removing the alcohol from your system is stressful enough. And just that stress alone is enough to make you want to drink, which you're practicing not doing now. So it's not just about not being in stress, it's also about not creating unnecessary stress. So instead, slow down, man. It's a process. So for me, I like to meditate. I just went on a walk today. More importantly, you're gonna practice this patience. So focus more on your breathing and just do things that are a little bit more subtle. And eventually, when you get really good at the little things, you could go back to the gym and do all that crazy stuff. And dude, this is the number one thing that everyone stresses out about. And please do not adopt this concept, man. Don't count the days. Just like the unnecessary stress that I was talking about, what do you think counting the days is gonna do for you? It creates subliminal anxiety. And until you've practiced managing your anxiety, your mission is just to get to that state of sober. 4 days. You're under enough stress, man. After 4 days, we can start looking at things a little bit differently. Eventually, we'll start celebrating how many days you've gone, but we're not gonna use that as a unit of measurement. And the reason is that 4 days sober is the exact same amount as 4 years sober. It doesn't matter if you went 400 days because sober is sober. And when you start counting these days, man, and you start to get overwhelmed with how far you feel like you need to go, you're going to start punishing yourself for not feeling stronger, and that feeling is gonna make you wanna drink. The amount of days you've gone doesn't unlock anything. You might feel more cognitive, but you're no more sober then as you were at 4 days. And dude, if you wanna work with me one-on-one, I'm more than happy to design a regimen and hold you accountable every single step of the way. Yeah, bro, there's 4 sobriety resources on my page. So you just jump on my calendar and we can talk about it.